Okay, so this is a pair of glasses that I got from designer Eyewear. I like the letter Eyewear. And it comes with the glasses and also this accessory case. So you have spray, which is awesome. You have, I'll show you that in a second, your cleaning towel, like the microfiber, which we love, to keep one of these in the car just in case. This is not something you generally see with a sunglasses case, but it has a flathead on one side and a Phillips tiny on the other side. So in case you need to, you know, tighten a screw or something, and that comes on a little key ring. So cool, really smart. And then it also comes with a cute little mirror. Yeah. So 10 out of 10 on the accessory case, because that's like, usually it just comes with a rag and spray. So we love all the other accessories. So we have that, and then I got these women's Tory Burch glasses. You have the case, beautiful. It has the scratch resistant plastic, and then the inside is a non-scratch material. It comes with a dust bag and also your info on the glasses. These are really cute. So this company is great for gifts because it comes with the glasses, but also all those other little things. These are really pretty, like tortoise shell design. Has the Tory Burch on the side, and they have kind of the gradient lenses. Really kind of classic frame. I like these glasses a lot, so I would definitely use this company, buy from them in the future. Everything came quickly and above and beyond, so 10 out of 10 for me.